Namaste friends, today we are exploring the amazing world of ecosystem. Picture this plant give food to insects. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is like a big family of plants. Family of plants, animals and us are living together.
Insects feed birds and birds may even become dinner for a big animal. It's a big circle of life.
We have forest, ocean and even backyard.
All part of different ecosystem, each one is unique and special.
We can help by planting trees, not eating and respecting nature. Can you say? Respect nature.
Respecting nature.
Great job, little nature enthusiasts. Keep exploring and learning our beautiful art. That's our journey for today. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and see you on next adventure. Dhanyawad.